I know that you, like the rest of us, thoughts and prayers with Mark. That ball hammered to left field, and that ball will give the Reds the lead here in the top of the third. Zack Cozart, his third home run of the year, and the Reds jump in front 1-0.
Just like we had talked about, Kelce, right? He gets that fastball. Saw 3 fastballs at a bat. Fastball, a couple changeups, but here he gets a fastball out over the plate. And just like Dusty Baker wanted with putting him into the 2-hole, get some pitches you can hit, something you can drive, and there it is, right out over the plate. It was right in the center, right in the heart of the plate where Zack really wanted it, and he was able to drive it out of the park.
Well, he had been 1 for